This video is for home baristas. If you're struggling to make a good cup of coffee, let me show you my complete workflow. Showing you exactly my recipe of a flat white. So my workflow starts by turning on my espresso machine. As it's heating up, I'll then prepare my coffee. I'm going to be using 20 grams of coffee, so I'll measure it. So before you start grinding your coffee, ensure that your group head and the pot filter are all heated up by just allowing water to go through your pot filter and the group head so that they can all be on the same temperature. Then I'll grind my coffee. For me to prepare my coffee pack, I only use these two coffee tools, a distribution tool and a tamper. So I use the distribution tool to evenly distribute my coffee, tamp it down to create a compact bed. When tamping your coffee, you don't need to use a lot of force. What you need to focus on is keep the force consistent throughout your shots of espresso to ensure that you have a good extraction. Now let's extract our double shot of espresso, which is 40 ml of liquid as our shot. So as our shot is extracting, then I'll prepare my milk for steaming. Very important that a flat white has less amount of foam. So what we are going to do when steaming it, we are going to be adding in very less amount of air. Let me show you how to do it. So to steam my milk, I'll start by purging my steam one. Most of the home steam ones don't have enough pressure, so you need to let the steam run for some time. For like 10 seconds, then this is when you start steaming and positioning your steam one. So I'll attach my jug on my steam one, lower down the steam one just below the surface of the milk, in the center of my milk jug, then tilt it slightly. This is my perfect position. So on your first stage, you add in air. This, you'll hear a paper tearing sound like this. So this air is enough for my flat white. Then I'll lift up my jug. Now I'm going to be texturing my milk. You'll see a vortex or a spinning motion in the milk until my ideal temperature, which is around 55 to 65. After steaming, make sure that you clean your steam one with a wet cloth. After that, you flush it so that you can remove any of the milk that might be stuck in the steam one. Then you'll just tap down your espresso if there is any bubbles, and also swirl your milk so that the foam can mix very well with the milk. And now it's time for us to pour our latte art. And I'm going to be showing you how you can make a basic tulip. A tulip are just hearts stuck on top of each other. So we are going to pour and pause until we end up with a tulip. So let me show you. So you start by pouring from high to create a canvas, slow and controlled. Halfway, you stop, then lower down your jug. You pour your first layer. You push and stop, push and stop, push and stop. Then the final one, you lift up your jug and move it in front to create a flat white, just like this one. So this is my flat white. It's one of the most popular coffee drinks in different coffee shops, and it's loved by very many people. It gives you a well balance of the espresso with the milk, because we are using a double shot of espresso using 18 ounce cup, and our milk is well textured with not too much foam. This coffee drinks gives you an amazing experience, and if you haven't tried it, follow these simple steps and you'll be able to make a simple flat white at home. But if you want to know more about other coffee drinks and how you can make them as a professional barista, then I would recommend for you to watch this video next for a complete guide.